what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join us out here with a nice group of cars to start off today's video and drive. We've got my M4 parked up next to Marlin Huracan twin turbo, like 1500 horsepower this car is pushing. G63 AMG, we've got 992 911s. We even got a wild spec Huracan over there that we saw just pull in. I'm not sure what this is, big horsepower. I think we've seen this car before, it sounds really good. Big wing on, we got vets too. Eric's X5, you just picked that up, that's nice. We also got some M's in here too, E92 M3, nice wheel setup on it. Look at the white on the R34 GTR. This one is a V-spec as well. Proper spec on it, nice wing on it, BBS wheels. We also have this F90 in like a British racing green, seems to be individual spec. But then over here we have the wild spec on this Lamborghini Huracan. Crazy wing, crazy livery wrap. It's got wheels, full setup on the car. It's like a full build. Definitely seen this car before. It's nice to see it again. And then we got the M4. You can see the rear end of this car. The lasers look so good on this car. Also a nice blacked out E36 M3 sedan out here tucked off. We're actually about to hop in the car right now. We're meeting up with a whole nother group of cars at a second location. We're gonna be doing a lot of driving today's video, so let's hop inside the M4, get on the road. Got the old M3 out here, that's classic.
Touching the gas pedal. Yeah, this Lambo is crazy. Wow. You guys think about the spec? No. It definitely sounds good. AMG, Porsche. You see Marlin's, he's actually got an older first gen Huracan and he added a whole kit to that car. Technical conversion, it's got twin turbos, titanium exhaust. We're gonna get a closer look up on that car, but it looks completely different than the last time I've seen it, which is cool. License plate 4X WHP, so it's gotta be over 1,000.
But before we continue on with today's video, we get to thank the sponsor, which is Simply Carbon Fiber. Simply Carbon Fiber is known for making real and genuine carbon fiber accessories, like their line of colored twill traditional carbon fiber phone cases. These colored phone cases come in many different colors, red, green, purple. My favorite is the nice blue. And if we compare this carbon fiber to the stock carbon fiber in my F82 M4, it is almost identical. Not only the direction, but the quality of the carbon fiber is absolutely amazing. Not only that, Simply Carbon Fiber has other real and genuine carbon fiber accessories like suitcases, watches, money clips, wallets, and more. So if you are interested in getting yourself or a loved one some Simply Carbon Fiber accessories, go ahead and use the links in the description. Keep an eye out for any discount codes to save yourself or a loved one some money. And with that being said, let's go ahead and continue on with today's POV drive.
Almost at 2,000 horsepower. 458. That is nice.
got the M4 parked up, we got F80s, a whole bunch of cars at the gas station. So we just filled the M4 up as well. And we met up with another group. I think we're gonna be meeting up with like 2 or 3 different groups in today's video. Nice ZL1, full carbon hood, got some Porsches, some exotics over there too, some Huracan up close, getting filled up. Thing looks crazy, especially in the rear view mirror. I like this car a lot. G82 M4, looks pretty stock at first glance. Then we look at the tires, but then we also come around back and it's got no exhaust, so you kind of know what that means. It's got to be pushing big power on it. But also like this trunk a lot. Left some of that carbon exposed, it was painted. Looks really good. Do you guys prefer the stock trunk or the CSL trunk like this? And you can see we have a couple Huracans over there as well. It's like a frozen black on this one and a nice orange on that one, making it, I think, 4 Huracans. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. This is very nice. I can dig it. Got more cars pulling up. 3-wheeling, okay. The boy Josh, R1 exhaust. Good to see him in the car again. My goodness. This thing is very nice. Sounds really good on the road.
Sorry about the two-step, man.
Oh, you good, bro? It sounds good, man. Mods on this are very nice as well. Full carbon on the wheels too. It's absolutely insane. We can also see Marlon's car up close. Interior is clean. It's got some kind of roll cage in there too. Orange trim on it. Like I mentioned, it is twin turbo. You can see more of that titanium exhaust kind of poking out there real subtly. And you can see the turbos themselves right there. That's the kit. The sheepy race kit at the top as well. The manual in that car as well.
As you can see, we're back on the road. Feels good, sounds good. Our group pretty much just doubled as well, so got more cars to have some fun with in today's video for you guys to enjoy. If you have any kind of cars that are poking out to you that might be your favorite in today's video, let me know in the comments below. Huracan sounds so good. Crackle sounds so good on this car, man. We gotta catch up to Josh's GT3 with that R1 exhaust. Oh, that's a nice AMG. That's a new GTS. I haven't really seen those yet. Okay. Until Josh pulls up in the GT3, then it's lit. Insane, that vent sounds good too. Sounds good.
got the cars parked up. M4 is looking good. You kind of see that grill again next to a stock G80 grill. It's literally half the size of that grill. Man, it's great to be back with the car though. See the Huracans parking up, exotics. It's a great location for some photos though. Whole port out there, ocean out there too. What's your favorite car out the group? I know, right? Oh, for sure.
I get you up front, bro.
I appreciate that. Yeah, never been over here. This is nice.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone usually, this is a good spot right here.
Oh, for sure.
He literally just turned 21. And he went and bought his first drink by himself. Like a big boy. He's a man. And then Freddie and Chris, their birthday is on Tuesday. Right? Yeah. That's why we're all here.
Away from the cars, we got the whole Pacific Ocean and kind of like this canal. Opens up out there. I wonder what that thing is poking up out the water right there.
Devil, no?
Oh, I see it now. That'll pretty much do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.